Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Sab. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night wherever you are. If you're new to this channel, please like this video, subscribe down below, and hit the bell for future notifications so you never miss a video. I'm going to be making a dish that requires about an hour of your time. You can meal prep this throughout the week, you can make this for dinner, have it for lunch, you can just get creative with it. I'm going to be making salmon with veggies and we are going to bake this in the oven. But before we do that, I'm going to infuse it with lots of flavors and it's just going to be delicious. Now, I'm super hungry, let's get started. My vegetables of choice today is baby carrots, green beans, both of which are 2 handfuls, 1 handful of asparagus, my favorite vegetable, 5 spring onions, this is optional, and a lemon that I'll be slicing into circles and putting on top of these salmon. Now I have just cut up my vegetables to the size I want them. I left my baby carrots as is, cut my green beans in half, my asparagus into 3, and my spring onion into small circles. Comment down below what vegetables you would add. Here I have my large tray and I've just covered it with aluminum foil. Then what you want to do is dump all of your veggies, your beautiful, beautiful veggies, right into there. This is a 1 dish, 1 tray thing. You don't need to wash a bunch of dishes. That's why I love this recipe. And I'm only putting half of my spring onions, not all of it, because I'm going to save the rest for my lemon mixture that's going to go on top of the fish. I put in 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then you want to go ahead and massage everything right into the vegetables, really coat everything and just really get all the flavors infused in there. Feel free to add more or less of anything to your preference. I've got 2 large pieces of salmon here and I'm going to cut 1 piece into 3 slices and the other piece into 4 slices, and you have a week's worth of fish. How amazing is that? Here I have my lemon sauce. It's 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half of a large lemon squeezed, 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper, and paprika, a dash of garlic salt, and the rest of the green onions that I had left over. Mix it really well and you can add more or less of anything to your preference. I've brought my tray of veggies back to the counter and we're just going to arrange our salmon right on top of those vegetables. Nice and easy. Now that I've arranged my salmon onto my vegetables, you want to go ahead and use a brush or a spoon. I'm using both. And go ahead and spread that beautiful lemon sauce I made earlier onto each piece of salmon and really just coat it. Go ahead and brush it over like 3 or 4 times and use a spoon to just drizzle on those spring onions and the rest of the sauce. This is what it should look like after we've coated it with that beautiful lemon sauce. But wait, we are not done yet. Now I've chopped up about 5 or 6 garlic cloves into small pieces where they are still visible, and I'm going to just place a few pieces onto each piece of salmon so it really infuses. Then I have a lemon slice and I'm going to put that on top of each salmon as well. Dun dun dun! And now we are done. This is the final product. It is going into the oven, a 350-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. I took the salmon out of the oven after 33 minutes. How amazing does the salmon look? It smells amazing. My house smells amazing. Let's plate this up and give it a try. The salmon came out amazing. As soon as you put a fork to it, it falls apart. The flavoring is just on point. I hope you all enjoy this recipe. Give this a try. Comment down below if salmon is your favorite fish. Personally, I love salmon and tilapia. I hope you give this a try. Thank you once again all for watching. Please like this video, subscribe down below, hit the bell for future notifications so you never miss a video.